Hello, viewers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. My name is Wanchukwuchibike. If today is the first time you're coming across my video, do me well by subscribing to my channel and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post, you will be the first to be notified. Ingredients for detergent powder: soda ash light 12.5 kg, soda ash dense 3 kg, sulfonic acid 1 liter, SLS 250 gram, sodium silicate half liter, perfume 20 ml, color as desired. Safety: take out of the reach of children, avoid direct contact with skin, wear nose masks, wear hand glove, avoid direct contact with eyes. Dissolve the 250 gram SLS into half liter of water and set aside to dissolve properly. Add the 3 kg of soda ash dense inside a bowl. Add the 12 kg of soda ash light to the bowl. And mix properly with your hand glove. And make sure you remove every dirt.
Now, add the 1 liter of sulfonic acid into the mixture of soda ash light and soda ash dense. Stir with a turning stick. When the sulfonic acid and the soda ash dense and soda ash light has mixed, you can use your hand glove to mix it properly. Now add the dissolved SLS into the mixture. SLS takes time to dissolve. That's why we need to soak it down before we start producing. Stir with turning stick, then later use hand glove to mix it properly. Add the half liter of sodium silicate into the mixture. Stir with a turning stick, then later use your hand glove to mix it properly. It's time to add your color granule. Add it small. Don't add everything at once so that the color will not be much. You can add it to your satisfaction. If you want the thing to be very blue, you can add everything, but if you want it to be light, you add, then you stir. Use your hand to mix it very well. Then if the color is okay, fine, but if it's not okay, you can add more. It's time to add perfume. This is 20 ml of perfume. Add to the mixture, then mix properly. So let's check if our detergent will be very foamy or not.